Simpler, affordable, yet extremely powerful, accurate, and robust, it is the PILOUS Dynamic Automatic Bandsaw. The maximum material feed accuracy results from the robust design of the machine, with all main parts made of grey iron, and the sturdy design of the feeding system. The base design and the entire sturdy structure ensure an exceptional stability of the machine, even when cutting heavy workpieces. The machine features proportionally controlled hydraulic material feed. The linear measuring system guarantees high measuring accuracy. The maximum length of a single feed is 500 mm. Continuous manual adjustment of the cut angle in the range of 0, or if you want 90 to 45 degrees. CNC controlled acceleration and deceleration process helps achieve a feeding accuracy of 1/10 of a millimeter. Smooth deceleration in the end positions also prevents slippage of heavy materials. When the saw blade breaks, the machine automatically stops. Material clamping and the movement of the band saw arm to the cut and back to the desired position according to the material cross-section are also controlled hydraulically. Pressure control of the feeding vise and the fixed vise is standard. Maximum cutting efficiency is maintained also thanks to the possibility of setting optimum saw blade speed by a frequency converter in the range between 15 to 90 meters per minute. Noiseless and maintenance-free drive of the saw blade is provided by an industrial electric motor with a worm gearbox. The central control panel with a large 7.5-inch color touchscreen guarantees very easy control of the machine using a proprietary operating system. The machine can be controlled in fully automatic, semi-automatic, or manual mode. In automatic mode, you only enter the desired length and quantity. Optimal diameter running wheels and precise 3-side hardened steel blade guides ensure long service life of the blade and cutting accuracy. The machine is connected to a complete cooling system with a powerful pump, enabling separate flow control on both guide heads and another adjustable outlet. The base is equipped with a large removable chip container and allows the installation of a screw chip conveyor. The emulsion tank with a powerful pump is located in the machine base. Become a satisfied user of this PILOUS automatic machine.